Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we are back inside of Crazy Craft. In this episode, I plan to, I need to do some stuff. So, in between episodes, I went back to the desert to get some cacti. So, I need 3 cacti. And I also killed a creeper to get some gunpowder. And now I just need 3 redstone blocks. And in this video, I plan to make a few things. I need 3 of these. Right. So this will craft, if I put them in a grid like this, a miner's dream. So these are actually very, very useful. So let's learn that. Let's grab like 3 stacks, because we could always put them back. So I need to... Oh, I also figured out how to make the solium ingots. You just smelt iron ingots to make solium nuggets with corrupt essence. So that will come in use later. But first, I need to go down. So I need to go down to like diamond level, because that's the best place to use these. Oh, also, I figured out how to craft an ender pearl. So if we look up ender pearl, we can craft them with just 4 iron and a philosopher's stone. So I crafted 1 to get 16. So now I can make a house pet. 1 diamond, 1 gold, and wood. 1 gold. A diamond, and wood. So now I can just teleport home whenever I need to. Set home, sneak, and right click. So now I can just like, I just go. And it only costs 1 ender nugget. So I can like, yeah, I started to dig like a little tunnel here, but I can just dig straight down now. So I don't really need that. Alright, so I'm going to dig straight down to Y13, and we can start using these miner's dreams. So there's actually a cave here, so I dug down. Is that a stronghold? Well, there's some amethyst here, so I'm going to mine that. I think I just found a stronghold. This is not a stronghold. Quantum crystal summons minions? Lapis nugget. I mean, there's diamonds here, so I'll take it. I need torches. Oh, so basically I'm here to get some black iron ore, because I need that to make some pretty good armor. And I also saw some more amethyst over here. Alright, I'm going to try to mine all out less, because we don't really need to mine. Wait, I don't have gold nuggets. That means my loot pet is useless. Alright, let me just go home. Oh, it's night, let's sleep. This house pet is going to be so nice, though. Really useful. So the first couple episodes of this series is basically just getting started. Now we can just do all the fun stuff. Let me grab some gold nuggets. So I'm really just doing this because I need titanium. I need titanium to make some pretty good stuff. I didn't get torches while I was up there. Who cares? A diamond block? 2 diamond blocks. I mean, that's fun, I guess. I'll take it. Emerald. More diamonds? I don't like that noise. Alright, so this is about the level that I need to be on. I don't need emeralds. So let's just... Y11, let's go. What does this do? Alright, it damages me, so I'm not gonna take it. So I'm just gonna go around looking for uranium and titanium. Alright, redstone, lapis. There it is, some titanium. Wait, first I'm gonna test my loot pet. I wanna make sure it's working. That is not an emerald. Oh, there's more titanium right here too. What? What? It just one-shot me. Alright, there was some more titanium over here too. And a lot of it. Why did it just give me the block? Oh, does it normally give you the block instead of nuggets? Uranium. Give me this uranium. There's some amethyst up there. Alright, so I got 4 uranium, or 4 titanium, 2 uranium. So I'm just gonna mine. I'm just gonna show the important parts, because this is all not like too exciting. There's some surprise ore. I gotta get an egg so I can see what the surprise eggs do. But it is shiny, so I will get it. Ooh, more uranium. 4 uranium blocks. Alright, I don't need much amethyst. I will mine this one though. Oh, there's some titanium right there too. Ooh, red diamond. I need this. I need these. I need red diamonds for stuff. Yes, more red diamonds. I think we actually need a lot of red diamonds though. Oh, uranium. Oh, red diamonds. More uranium. Oh, more titanium. Look how many diamonds we have. Oh my god, that's a lot of uranium. Look at all this uranium. Oh, there's some titanium. Oh, there's titanium and uranium. Emerald block. Oh, what is this? I found something. Nether portal pit. Teleport to Nether and back. I mean, that's pretty cool. Alright. So that was 13 of these. I'm gonna try to use up all of them. And I don't want to record it because that already took like half an hour just to do 13. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. So I found this structure, and when my inventory is pretty full. I found another one of those structures that have pets in it, and I got a wither pet, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and I also got another one of these. But I opened this chest and I found a backpack, and like that's pretty cool. Now I can store all my stuff in it. Also, I gave up on diamonds, and I got a few of these. I don't need that right now. I don't need sapphire. So yeah, I can just store so much more stuff. So I thought that was really cool. And I also, there's some ender pearl dust, which you make that with. Well, I was actually going to make one of these because I wanted a portal gun. But then I opened the chest, there's a Pandora's box. That's pretty cool. And this one, there's a portal gun. So that's amazing. I don't know what this does. What does this do? Alright, I don't know what it does. I also got a lucky boss egg. And then there's also up here. I didn't go up here yet. Temple color, what does that do? I don't know. Lucky hostile egg. Rainbow dust. We can make a color wand. Then there's also some more lucky hostile eggs. A thunder staff. That sounds fun. And here, another portal gun. I'll take it. Lucky multiple egg. Alright, I'm just gonna throw all that stuff in my backpack. And I'm also on to my last stack of the Miner's Dreams. I am out of Miner's Dreams. I used them all. Also, if you put the gamma radiation in here, it doesn't damage you. So this is all the stuff I got. I don't know what happened, but for some reason I have almost like a stack of extra. I have almost a stack more of titanium over uranium. So I'm gonna go back home. Oh, I fell through the floor. Alright, and I'm gonna go inside because it's raining. And I'm just gonna craft a bunch of titanium. Oh my god. Look at all this titanium. 22 titanium. Alright, uranium. 16 uranium. But I think I also have some extra uranium in here. Yeah, I can make another uranium. That's a furnace. Yeah. Alright. Look at that. The ultimate bow. And it comes with all the enchantments. I don't even have an arrow. Oh my god. We're gonna become overpowered. Alright, now I need a sword. The ultimate sword. I mean, might as well have a pickaxe, you know? How do I make the pickaxe? The ultimate pickaxe. Alright, it's 2 uranium, 2 titanium. You know, I need the pickaxe. Fortune 5. Alright, might as well make an axe. Axe. 2 titanium, 1 uranium. Alright, we got an axe now. I mean, might as well make a shovel too, right? You know what? No, let's just throw this stuff on the floor. We don't need it. Look at that. 46.25 attack damage. This is definitely the best. We are officially overpowered now. Now the one thing we need is armor. And that's what I was going to do next episode. Oh, and there's a Pandora's box. Oh, wait. I can actually craft something real quick. Alright, that's good. Blue pet does not work with this enchanted with fortune. I don't care. This is what Fortune 5 is way more important than looting pet. So this thunder staff, if I remember it correctly, it's pretty good. We don't need the loot pet anymore. I mean, let's just test out some of this stuff, right? You know. We can't just make all this stuff and then not use it, right? Oh, yeah. Alright, check this out. We no longer have to worry about Mantis. And they drop uranium and titanium. And we also need these Mantis claws for stuff. I'm not sure why the arrows were bouncing off of them, though. What is that? Oh, the princess. This right here is the best sword in all of Crazy Craft. A freaking ray gun. So basically, to get this, we need to kill all of the bosses. That is my goal for Crazy Craft. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. And never mind. Why are there so many? This bow is amazing. I like how you don't have to pull it back. Look at that. Oh. I accidentally teleported home. Well, I guess we're going to do the outro in here. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. I know I did. Because now, we don't have to worry about, like, dying. At least some basic mobs. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.